All of us search for things on search engines like Google, but what if I told you that you can actually make money just by searching? Well, it seems weird, but it is actually legit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this, how you can make money just by searching and just by clicking on links on this panel, on this extension, rather than Google or Bing, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can do this, so stay tuned till the end because you're gonna love this video. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. So today's video is about a website that is called QME. So what is QME, guys? Actually, QME is a website that allows you to make money with no upfront investment, okay? So with no upfront investment, and there is no threshold. It's absolutely free to join and it is amazing. You're gonna do a lot of things, okay? In this website there are a lot of things, not just searching, but you can do surveys, and by surveys you can share your opinions like you're seeing here. TQME paid surveys on your laptop, on your mobile, on the go, which means you have some flexibility, okay, or mobile, and earn cash rewards, share your opinions on brands, and see your earnings grow daily. So this is for surveys, but this is not what we are going to talk about in this video. And also you can earn when you shop, so get money saving coupons and deals on the items you're shopping for to help you save. Will also show your price savings when we find you a better deal. So this is actually for shopping, which means when you shop they will get you the better deals, and like that you can save some extra money, okay? So if you're gonna for example buy something for $100, maybe they can find a deal for you, and if you take the deal you will make money, and also you will take the thing for $80 instead of $100, okay? This is a great thing. But how they do that? So they have actually affiliate links, okay? They are affiliated with other companies, with a lot of offers out there, okay? And when you take the offer that they are affiliated with, they will make money and they will split the share, or they will split the profit with you, okay? So this is how you can make money with this. And the third way, and this is what I want to talk about in this video, is to earn when you search. And what I mean earning while you search is you earn cash when you search on your favorite sites with the free QME browser app, okay? So this is the browser app. It's like a panel. Well, actually it is a browser extension, okay? So you have to download it. So go about your daily searching online and earn cash rewards with QME results. Simply click on the result that interests you to collect the reward in your piggy bank, okay? So instead of clicking on the link that is on Google or Bing, that depends on the search engine that you are using, you just have to click on the link that is in the QME panel, okay? Once you do that, you will make money, and because there is no threshold, there is no minimum threshold in this QME, that means you can withdraw your money whenever you want, and this is a positive thing in this extension or in this website, and this is what I love in QME, guys, okay? And add to that the service that you can take with just your mobile phone. So the application is user-friendly, it is great, and the payment for surveys are high, but this is not the aim of, or the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to show you how you can do this, how you can make money just by searching, okay? So let me show you something. Here what you're seeing, guys, is, for example, if you are searching for a camera, instead of clicking on digital cameras, okay, go here and click, for example, on this camera, okay, and you will make some cents. So this is 15 cents, okay? If you click here, you make 15 cents, and this is the code. So this is the code if you want to buy, for example, the ABC15. This is the ABC15, the promo code, if you want to get this camera with 50% off, Okay, this is a great deal, guys, and you're having great deals and also you're making money. This is actually amazing. So your money to charity. Okay, and let me show you another thing. So not right now, you know how to use the website, or you know how to use this extension. It is really easy, so you don't it's not that complicated. Okay, so let me show you another thing. So here what you're seeing, guys, is the back office of your profile. Okay, this is your profile, and what you have to do here is, once you make money, if you want to withdraw it, all you have to do is, first of all, you should sign up. This is very important. Yeah, I forgot to show you how you can do this. So signing up is very easy. What you have to do, guys, is go here and put your email address and the password and click on sign up. And here, if you want to download the application from the Android store or the Play Store, or the iOS, which is the App Store, that depends on the phone that you have. Okay, so signing up is important, and once you sign up, you just have to go to your mobile phone and click on the link to verify your email address, and like that you're good to go and you can withdraw your money. Okay, so if you want to withdraw your money, all you have to do is, once you get your money, you just have to click on withdraw. Okay, that is in the downside. Okay, once you click on it, you will have to choose from the three types. Okay, from PayPal, direct transfer, or through charity, if you want to get your money to charity. Okay, and for me, I prefer PayPal. Okay, because I want to make money. Okay, and yeah, there is no wrong to give it to charity, but I want to make money. Okay, so this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and if you do, make sure to press the subscribe button and the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. So thank you so much for watching again, and let's see you in the next one. Take care. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.